William Rowan Hamilton was born in 1805 in Dublin. The youngest of 7, he was orphaned at a young age. He was then raised by his uncle James Hamilton. His uncle, being a lawyer, raised William with a strong emphasis on education. William showed sign of his intelligence at a young age. He became a prodigy in languages, fluently speaking 13 foreign languages, as many as he was years old. At age 15, William became passionate and interested about mathematics. In his studies, William avidly read Newton's Arithmetica Universalis, mastering analytical geometry and calculus in the process. In 1824, at the age of 18, William entered Trinity College. By the age of 22, while still being an undergraduate, he was elected the Royal Astronomer of Ireland, involving William becoming the director of the Dunsink Observatory. William married a woman named Helen Bailey. In 1834, William and Helen had their first child. However, their relationship was troubled and Helen left him. It plunged William into depression and loneliness. William threw himself into his work to distract him from the loneliness and depression. He worked to extend complex numbers with a theory of triplets by extending the complex formula of 1 plus 1i with a theory of 1 plus 1i plus 1j. This became an obsession of his, a problem which plagued him for 15 years with no reward. This obsession and depression led him to alcoholism. On 16th of October 1843, William was struggling with his work in his office. Helen suggested they take a walk into Dublin town for a council meeting of the Royal Irish Academy. As they walked along the Royal Canal, although Helen talked to him, he would fade in and out of the conversation as he was distracted by the thought of his obsession. On their walk, as they passed the Broom Bridge, a spark of realisation ignited in William's mind. William realised that he was demanding too much and he would need to sacrifice the theory of triples he had spent so long working on, and the commutative law that complex numbers follows. Freeing his mind of the laws and the theory that limited him, he realised in order to move and rotate in 3 dimensions, you need a 4 dimensions number. In this realisation was William's greatest work, and the first algebraic formula to break the commutative law was formed in his mind. In the spark, Hamilton took out his pocket knife and carved his formula into the stones of Broom Bridge. I2 equals J2 equals K2 equals IJK equals -1. William's formula was given the name Quaternions. Still used today, Quaternions are used in computer graphics, making 3D animations like this very project possible. They're also used in orbital mechanics, such as space shuttle altitude control systems. On the 13th of November 1958, Taoiseach Eamon de Valera, himself being a mathematician and student of Quaternions, unveiled a plaque on Broom Bridge. On the 16th of October every year, mathematicians from Trinity, Maynooth and all over Ireland celebrate William's discovery with a pilgrimage from Dunsink Observatory to Broom Bridge, where they recount and relive William's story. Thank you for listening.